The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard delta-wing multi-role fighter aircraft originating from Europe. Now the Typhoon also competes with European fourth-generation fighter aircraft such as the Saab JAS 39 Gripen and its distant relative, the Dassault Rafale. Meanwhile, in the weapons sector, the Typhoon is equipped with one Mauser BK anti-aircraft gun of 27mm caliber and is capable of carrying up to 13 air-air missiles and air-surface missiles. Historically, this aircraft was designed by a multinational company from 4 countries, namely England, Italy, Spain, and Germany. Its development began effectively in 1983 with the Future European Fighter Aircraft program. France had previously participated in this project, but there were differences in design concepts and operational requirements, so they left the consortium and continued their own fighter aircraft project. Then the Dassault Rafale, an iconic and artistic French fighter aircraft, was born in July 1986. Meanwhile, the project involved aircraft companies Airbus, Spain, Germany, BAE Systems, England, and Leonardo, Italy. Continued with the formation of a joint consortium, Eurofighter Jagdflugzeug GmbH, based in Hallberg Meuse, Bavaria, Germany, in April 1986. On August 1, 1985, the characteristics of the Eurofighter began to be described as an air superiority-capable fighter with STOL, short takeoff and landing, BVR, beyond visual range, 2 engines and a delta canard wing. Eurofighter technology was demonstrated with an experimental aircraft called the Experimental Aircraft Program, EAP, which first flew on August 8, 1986. The EAP flew 250 sorties for the development of the Eurofighter until it was grounded on May 1, 1991. 3 years later, the first German prototype, code DA-1, Eurofighter first flew in Bavaria on March 27, 1994. Then it continued until the test of the 7th prototype in Turin, Italy, on January 17, 1997. The name Typhoon was officially paired with the Eurofighter in September 1998. The Typhoon began combat missions during NATO's intervention operation in Libya on March 21, 2011, followed by Italy on March 29, as part of the UN's Dawn Odyssey operation. At that time, 10 British Typhoons were deployed to patrol the no-fly zone during the Libyan civil war under the leadership of Muammar Gaddafi. One of his successful missions in this operation was destroying 2 battle tanks of Gaddafi's troops south of Misrata, Libya. With the Raytheon-enhanced Paveway 2 guided bomb weighing 454 kilograms, the 10 Typhoons returned to the UK after a 6-month mission and logged a total of 3,000 flight hours. Typhoon is also operated by several Middle Eastern countries such as Saudi Arabia, 72 units, Oman, 12 units, Kuwait, 28 units, and Qatar, 24 units. Now the Typhoon also competes with European fourth-generation fighter aircraft such as the Saab JAS 39 Gripen and its distant relative, the Dassault Rafale.